Today I'm selling Girl Scout cookies. And so far, my grandma has donated this many at her office, and sorry, I like those. Anyway, I already sold 60 boxes. What boy, what boy, what boy, what boy, what boy, what boy. It's so cool. Anyway, I usually sell like 10 boxes, but I sold 60.